What's up everybody, I'm Indagato and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe so we don't lose any future content. I will soon be live streaming on Twitch as well. Today I'll open my Squad Battles Elite 1 rewards, and if you want to send me your footages, I'll be glad to share it and react to it. Without any further ado, let's get things started. So, this is the team I'm rocking with right now. It is the same team from Thursday apart from this Joe Gomez card. I'm keeping on the bench because his stats are very good, but in game it feels a bit weaker compared to Davison Sanchez. Even though if you compare his stats, you can see that Sanchez has worse stats than Gomez. So this is the team. As you can see, Aubameyang, as always, is my best player. He's got 883 goals in 880 games. Let's go and redeem our rewards. So, single player squad battles. As I've told you, I got Elite 1. Yeah, because when I get to 50,000 points, I just stop playing. I don't see it worth the grinding to get to the top 100. It's not easy as well, so I'll just not play as many games. So I got 30,000 coins and 2 rare mega packs. I'll open the first one. Let's see. We don't get the walkout. We do get boards. Spanish striker Valencia is gonna be Rodrigo, 84 rated, pretty decent, let's say. Mano Trigueros, Malcolm, some La Liga players. Got Steven Gerrard. Several squad fitnesses that are pretty useful. Let's go, one loan pack. I'll open that one as well. Let's quick sell these. I'll open the loan player pack first. Who we get? Oh boy. Javier Pastore. Not so good. I wouldn't use him anyways. So let's keep these two and discard the manager. Last pack. Let's see what we get from this rare mega pack. It is a walkout. Let's hope it's a good one. Oh my god. It's definitely not a good one. It's Matic. Oh boy. Pretty weak walkout. We get Toby Alderweireld as well, which is okay. Laporte, Moreno, and that's pretty much it. I don't need. I'm gonna keep 2 of them. And discard the rest. So guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Make sure once again to subscribe so you don't lose any future content I will upload. I'll see you in the next days with my FUT Champions rewards. Have fun, take care, and see you soon. One love.